In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can stop TikTok from taking down your video. So in order for TikTok not to take down your video, you will have to do one simple thing, and that is to comply with their community guidelines. It's the same on YouTube, it's the same on Twitter, it's the same on Facebook, any social media. You have to comply by their community guidelines, and if you don't, you will get your videos taken down. So what are the community guidelines? Well, if I go to this page right here, this is the community guidelines of TikTok, and I'll link this in the description so you can read all of them in your own time. But here it says you don't want to post violent extremism content, and you can read about it. It is very long and in-depth. Hateful behavior, that'll definitely get your video taken down. Illegal activities and regulated goods, that is obvious. And it just goes on and tells you what you cannot do, gambling and things of that nature, violent and graphic content. Now, if you have gotten a video taken down and you want to recover your video, there is something that you can do. So if I go to this page, and I'll leave this linked in the description as well, it says, if you believe your account was removed by mistake, let us know by submitting an appeal. And to submit an appeal, you must locate the notification in your TikTok inbox. So when your video gets taken down, they'll send you an inbox notification. Tap on the notification and then tap on submit appeal. Or you could go to the video, tap community guidelines violation, and then click on see details, and then tap on submit an appeal. And that's pretty much it. So that is how you stop TikTok from taking down your videos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.